So about every year in South Carolina there's this little festival called the Blue Crab Festival. I think it sounds like a type of STD you get, like blue crabs. I don't know. That's what I think it is, but apparently it's food. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna go to that and it's gonna be kind of fun. And I'm gonna vlog and it's gonna be a very, very long video. So bring a sandwich. Alright, there we go. Squinting. Ugh. It's not creepy at all. Is my tongue blue? I think it is. Alright, just chilling in the corner here, and copyrighted music is playing. And I'm a little scared because there's bikers here, and they're gonna beat me up. Yeah, and they're selling beer and stuff. And they're drunk and they're gonna beat me up. And I'm thinking about riding this bull. That bull right there. It's a bull. You can't really see it from here. I'll go to where you can see it. Ice cream. Should I go on that deck? Kinda want to. Look at the crabs down there. Those are crabs. Wow. Yep. Yep. It's really weird. You got the steps going down. like singing I'm on a boat, but I'm not going to. There's lots of people around here and they're going to think I'm crazy. They already do because I'm talking to a camera. That guy keeps staring at me. Look how big this wave looks. Alright, so hopefully it's a little bit quieter in here. I'm on the inside of the boat now. And out the window you can't see anything but people's feet. Sexy. I really want to sing I'm on a boat right now. I'm on a boat and it's going fast and I got that article theme and da-na-na-na. Life jackets. I don't know the words to I'm on a boat at all. It's nice and quiet in here, there's not a lot of people. It's nice and quiet, you know, there's not a lot of people. There's an axe in case, you know, the captain wants to go shank every one of us. You know, it's natural. Never thought that I would be on a boat today. Never. I'm gonna go back outside now. Even though it's really comfortable in here. It kind of ruins the theme of being on a boat if you can't see the water. I don't know. Later. It's recording. So badly right now. Look at that. That's like a beach. Dude, I want to go on that so badly. Believe it or not, we're not actually on the ocean right now. That is the ocean over there. That's the ocean. Right now we're on the inlet, I think. I don't know. There's Myrtle Beach. You see the buildings. Yeah, those are hotels. Whoa, and we're stopping. And we're slowing down. Well, right now we're turning around, I guess to go back to the little festival thing. And look at the rocks. That's very magical. Quite magical. And we're picking up speed. I'm afraid I'm gonna drop you guys. Okay, so I moved up to the front of the boat. And it's not as loud up here. Oh, look, they're waving. How sweet is that? Drivers in there. I think the boat is getting ready to dock again. back inside the boat, by the way. And we're gonna go back outside, because I don't know what's going on. Alright, bye. And we're back to the festival thing. We're docking right now. I don't know how well this is gonna go. Not so many people are here.
What we call unrecoverable. Hold on real tight to that rope right there and keep your weight back just a little. Not your body, your weight. Out to the rope. Some girls do. Well, I ain't first class, but I ain't class trash and wild and a little crazy too. Some girls don't like boys like me. Oh, but some girls do. Some girls do.
That bull kicked my ass. Wow. I'm freaking exhausted. I'm so ready to go home, waiting for my grandparents to come back to the car. I'm kind of PO'd too, because the only thing I wanted at that damn thing was a sword, like a real ass sword. It's a replica from the Lord of the Rings movies, the Sword of Gondor. Or Sword of, no, I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's the sword of the king who slayed Saruman. I thought that would be so cool to have, but you know, whatever. Parents are like, no, you're gonna kill yourself with it. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna slit my throat with my own sword. Wow. Ugh. But yeah, I guess this is the end of the vlog. I know this is really long and boring, but whatever. I'll talk to you later.